Just add these 3 ingredients to your butter and watch your hair grow non-stop. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Today is another DIY video on how you can grow fuller, thicker, longer hair. Before we get started, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, join the family, hit on that notification as well so you do not miss any video from me. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Today we are making a hair pomade. Hair pomades are the easiest hair butter that you can make. They are very easy to make and they are very effective when it comes to helping your hair grow. And I'm going to take you to the process on how you can make this hair pomade, and it's very easy. The first ingredients that we are going to start with is kelp. Kelp is very good in nourishing and strengthening your hair. While adding volume and thickness to your hair, this will also improve your hair texture as well. So what we're gonna do, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of kelp and I'm going to blend this just because I want it to infuse faster into my oil. The next ingredient I'm working with is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed will make your hair soft, smooth, and manageable, which will help you prevent breakage. This also helps improve the frizziness and the dryness of your scalp. So it will give your scalp a very nice hydration, a very nice condition, so you can grow nice, healthy hair. The next ingredient we are adding is moringa powder. Moringa is very rich in vitamins and minerals, very essential for healthy hair growth. It includes vitamin A, B, C, and E, also iron and zinc. So those are very powerful when it comes to help your hair follicles and nourish and strengthen your hair strengths. So once all my ingredients are all together in my little jar here, I'm gonna go ahead and add my oils. The first oil I'm adding right now is extra virgin olive oil. This is the time where you can play a little bit with your oils and see which one you feel like you want to use for your hair. I am using 2 oils, extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. The second one I'm adding here is avocado oil. And once I got all this ready, then I'm gonna also get my butter ready. For my butter, I am using shea butter today, and of course, as you can see, this is unrefined version of shea butter. This is raw unrefined. You can use refined shea butter if that's what you have. So, and you can also use any other butter that works for you. So once I got my oil, my ingredients, and everything butter ready, I'm going to take this into my double boiling method where I place this in a hot water and just let my butter melt and also my ingredient fuse into my oil. And this process, it doesn't take long for the butter, but you do want to give these ingredients in your oil at least about 30 to 40 minutes in order to make sure that it completely infuses in your oil. Once that process is done, you want to go ahead and drain your ingredients out of your oil so you can blend, you can mix together your oil and your butters together. So as you can see, I just drained my oil, the ones that has the ingredients in there. I drain it inside my butter, and now I have one solution that I'm working with. The only thing you have to do at this point is to add your other oils. That if you want to add any essential oil, make sure you mix it well together. And I'm going to go ahead and add my vitamin E, my rosemary oil, my cedarwood oil, and those are all essential oil and they are optional. You do not have to add these oils. And once I add all these essential oils that I want to add, I just mix it all together. Your oils are all combined. You just need to find yourself a nice jar where you want to store your oil, and you just pour it in there just like this. It's very easy. It is done. That is done. The only thing you need to do at this point is let this butter solidify. You can leave it overnight in a nice cool place, or you can just leave it inside your refrigerator for a few minutes or so, and it should solidify. The next day, this is how my oil pomade looks like. It is completely solidified. It is ready to be used. This can be used on your scalp as well as on your hair. So you want to focus this on your scalp. Make sure you get your entire scalp with this, and you also want to make sure you moisturize your whole hair strand with this. This can be applied after you moisturize your hair with some kind of a cream, or if you have your hair in a natural state, you can spray water first, and then you can go ahead and follow it up with this pomade. I'm going to demonstrate how you can apply this product on your hair. This is an old flat iron that is already reversed into its natural state. As you guys can see, the ends are already becoming very frizzy, but it is okay. You can apply this on both straight and curly hair. Apply on dry or wet hair. It can be applied on curly or straight hair. It really doesn't matter. However your hair is, you can use this to give your hair some new life. Whether you're experiencing some kind of a breakage, or your hair just doesn't it's just not growing, or you're not seeing length retention, you do need some kind of product that will help you strengthen your hair and prevent breakage, so you can start seeing that length retention and see your hair grow longer. Pretty much how easy this pomade is to make. So I will invite you guys to try it out. You can use different ingredients if you would like. These ingredients that I use today are very powerful, very potent, very effective in strengthening your hair, stimulating your hair follicles, stimulating hair growth, and giving you that fast result that you are looking for. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And also share with your friends and family. Leave me comments if you have any question, and I will see you guys on my next video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.